Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a good Cat5e or Cat6 LAN cable and an available router port. This matters because wired speeds rely on cable grade and direct hops. Once you have the cable, power down or put your Xbox Series S in standby and plug one end into the console's Ethernet jack and the other into the router or modem. Make sure the router port's LED lights up. That visual confirms an active link before moving to configuration. Once connected, you go to Settings, then Network, and select Network Settings so the Xbox detects the wired link. That's how the console negotiates speed and IP. Make sure you pick Wired Network and leave IP settings on automatic unless you require port forwarding or a reserved IP for NAT reasons. After selection, run Test Network Connection and test Multiplayer Connection to measure latency and NAT type. These results tell you whether speed or NAT is blocking gameplay. To finish, verify your NAT type and speed in network settings. An open NAT and stable ping indicate success, and you're ready to game. If the Xbox reports limited connectivity, restart both the console and router, then rerun tests. Updates can resolve compatibility issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see no link light, swap the LAN cable and try a different router port. Faulty cables or a disabled router port are the most common physical causes and are quick to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.